Today I'm going to show you something about eggs. We're going to make some hard-boiled eggs. We're going to put them in the pan right there and cook them on the stove right here. And let's get going. I'm going to show you something I learned today. So we're going to cook 5 eggs. So we've got our eggs from Wally World. And we put our eggs in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to add water. Water to be over the top of them. I don't know if you can see that or not. And all the eggs sink. So then there we know they're good. Whoops. Wait a minute. You see that? That egg is floating. As many of you know, my wife has cancer and her immune system is compromised due to the chemo and all that good stuff. Well, she was making eggs today and came across this one. And I didn't know this, and I want to share it with you. When you see an egg that doesn't sink to the bottom, the egg shells are semi-permeable, which means they kind of breathe. But this could be lethal to somebody, especially with a compromised immune system. You see this egg? It's floating. The other ones aren't. That means there's bacteria in there, inside that egg. You'd never know. She was going to make hard-boiled eggs, and then we were going to eat it, and we were going to get food poisoning. So folks, I just wanted to share that if you see an egg floating, it's bad. If you see an egg lift up a little bit, it's going bad. In other words, these are just resting on the bottom, these eggs. They're heavier than the water, so they rest on the bottom. So as you see, this egg that's floating will cause food poisoning and potentially even kill you. In a emergency situation or a SHTF, nobody needs to get sick from a simple egg. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to me, subscribe, and also please share this. This is important information that needs to get out there to other people.